Hello friends, let's talk about another cue card with you, and that cue card is quite a different one because generally if you have this cue card all of a sudden, so you might find no ideas how to handle it. So let's see, the topic is describe a time you got lost in a place you didn't know about. Got lost means आप गुम हो गए थे, एक ऐसी जगह, एक ऐसी सिचुएशन, आप कहीं गए थे और आप वहाँ गुम हो गए. द फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज़ व्हेन डिड इट हैपन, ऐसा कब हुआ. वेयर डिड यू गो, आप कहाँ पे गए थे. हाउ डिड यू गेट लॉस्ट, अब आप गुम कैसे गए वहाँ पे, ठीक है. व्हाट वाज द सिचुएशन. ऑब्वियसली यू हैड योर फोन विद यू और उसमें गूगल मैप एंड ऑल एवरीथिंग यू हैव, तो फिर गुम कैसे गए. हाउ डिड यू हैंडल द सिचुएशन, अब गुम गए तो वो सिचुएशन को आपने हैंडल कैसे किया, ठीक है. इस टॉपिक के ऊपर बोलना है. सो जनरली इफ़ यू डू नॉट हैव दिस काइंड ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस इन योर लाइफ, इट माइट बी डिफिकल्ट फॉर यू टू स्पीक ऑल ऑफ अ सडन. So it is always a good idea to prepare these topics beforehand. I have crafted a very simple and a beautiful story for this topic so that you can understand it, and just after watching the video once you can explain the same thing in front of examiner. Okay, so let's start with the introduction part. Getting lost in today's technological era seems unrealistic until a person finds himself in the same situation. तो getting lost in that today's technological era seems unrealistic. अब अगर हम आजकल के टाइम की बात करते हैं और फिर हम बात करते हैं दैट कि आप गुम जाएंगे, तो आजकल के टाइम पर टेक्नोलॉजी इतनी ज़्यादा है कि गुमना पॉसिबल ही नहीं है. तो आपको शायद ये लगे कि इट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल, राइट. लेकिन व्हेन यू फाइंड योर सेल्फ इन द सेम सिचुएशन, लेकिन जब कोई पर्सन ये चीज़ फेस करता है तो समझ में आ जाती है, ओके दिस इज़ हाउ वन कुड गेट लॉस्ट. So mobile phone full of apps seem helpless or helpless, HAPLESS, helpless. Helpless means helpless in certain situations, especially when people are abroad, और especially जब आप बाहर हैं, you are not in your mother country, you are in some foreign country, तो इस चीज़ की जो chances हैं getting lost, the chances are quite prominent. Prominent means quite strong chances you are having it. So there are certain things that you need to keep in mind. I also learned it later. Okay. So the first is, when did it happen? It happened last year when I went with my family for vacation. So last year during my holidays, during my summer vacation, I went Malaysia with my family, and over there I has an online friend named Sophia. I met Sophia on Facebook through one of our common friends, one of our mutual friend, and gradually we started interacting with each other and our friendship grew stronger and deeper. So obviously when I visited Malaysia we decided to meet, so I decided to meet her, and somehow I convinced my parents after a lot of persuasion that if I could go to see her. So we decided the venue to meet, it was a local restaurant so I could relish some local dishes. It was merely 1 kilometer away from my hotel. Merely means only, so it was only 1 kilometer away. तो जो place हमने choose किया था मिलने के लिए, that was quite close to my place. सिर्फ 1 kilometer था ताकि मैं easily वहाँ पे जा सकूँ. And I was reluctant to listen Sophia's instructions. So once we decided the venue, she kept on telling me so many things I need to keep in mind. How to reach that restaurant, मैंने वहाँ जाना कैसे है, landmark क्या है. She kept on telling me so many things, but I was not interested. Reluctant means hesitant or not interested. मैं बिल्कुल भी interested नहीं था, ठीक है, कि ठीक है बोलती रहे, but I was not interested कि कैसे जाना है, landmark क्या है, मैंने कुछ भी नहीं सुना. Why? Because I was quite overconfident. ठीक है, since it was my first visit, so I was quite overconfident कि ऐसा तो कुछ भी नहीं होता. I could reach easily. I thought of going by myself, went on foot, पैदल ही चला गया because it was hardly 15 minutes walk. मुश्किल से 15 मिनट की walk थी. So I thought of going on foot so I could look around. After about half a kilometer, I got weak network and the signal of my mobile got lost. Now how I was going there? I was actually looking into the map, the Google map. But since the network got lost, अब वो map ने भी चलना बंद कर दिया. It was just buffering only and nothing happening. Then I was quite shocked. Okay, now what to do? I kept on searching. So like I kept on searching here and there, but it was all vain. All vain means everything useless. कोई फ़ायदा नहीं हुआ because that was a quite new place for me. मुझे तो कुछ भी नहीं पता था. I got tired and worried कि अब मैं क्या करूँ. ठीक है. I felt quite helpless at that time because I was in a kind of country where people are not knowing me. I don't know anyone. This is a new place. I was quite depending on the mobile phone. That mobile will tell me the way how to reach, and that too again it cheated me. My mobile cheated me. I couldn't call her. I couldn't call Sophia due to feeble network. अब network भी इतना ज़्यादा weak था कि मैं उसे भी call नहीं कर पा रहा था. ठीक है. So in terrible situation, I felt myself in terrible situation. Terrible, बहुत horrible कि अब मैंने क्या करना है, कुछ भी नहीं समझ आ रहा था. But later on I thanked God because I met a stranger who helped me to reach the restaurant. So when there was a person named Alex, he sensed my nervousness. He figured it out. He came himself towards me and asking me if he could help me out. So obviously he helped me, and he helped me to reach the restaurant and also handed over a paper map of local area. तो उसने मुझे वहाँ पे रेस्टोरेंट तक छोड़ा और मुझे एक पेपर मैप भी दिया, so that I could depend on that paper map instead of only and only relying on the mobile phone. I took a sigh or relief. Took a sigh of relief means मैंने राहत की सांस ली. I felt comfortable. Okay, finally I reached somewhere. I felt ecstatic because getting lost felt miserable. So when I was lost at that time, I was feeling miserable. But once I saw my friend, I felt ecstatic. Ecstatic means extremely happy, delighted. I was very happy for two things. I was ecstatic for two reasons. First, I got an opportunity to meet my online friend, and second, somehow I landed, I reached somewhere, and now I am not into that getting lost condition. I spent memorable time with her, visited local tourist attractions also, and I felt on cloud 9. So what happened, like how did I feel after that? I learned a lesson. I learned a lesson that we should keep our phone's battery full if we are going out somewhere. So the very first is the phone's battery should be full. If you think that your phone's battery is draining out fastly, you can have power bank with you, okay? And second thing is that we should keep a paper map with ourselves, which would save us from getting lost. So that is the situation, that how I got lost and how I tackled this situation, and this is what learned from this situation. Okay, I hope story आपको clear हो गई है कि कैसे मैंने इस situation को handle किया. ठीक है. So you keep learning with me. All the best.